Welcome back. Today we are going to look at another interesting topic from Sri Rishi psychological module, which might be interesting to many of us, which might be like what we do to cope with our stress and strain and our health issues or our family issues. We're trying to implement this into our life without even us knowing. That is the kind of secret that we are going to talk about today. So, if you are a person who likes to cook up stories or who likes to believe things are going to be good or things are good when it's bad, this video is for you. So, today's topic is an interesting and very socially discussed topic. It is delusion and escapism. So, what is delusion and escapism? So, today we are going to get invited not into the real world, but then the people or the space in which we lock ourselves in when no one is watching of escapism, how it feels like living in a dream sometimes when we are zoning out. Delusion in psychological terms is actually not just a lie we tell ourselves. It is like a construction, a well defined construction where reason and logic does not exist. Everything is just paving way to longing. It is the mind's way of rewriting reality when reality feels too sharp, too heavy, too raw. If it's like believing, okay, your past partner, love partner still loves you, or imagining a future not based on fact but on fantasy, or convincing ourselves we are more or less than what we truly are. Delusion is not really madness, it's the mercy that we create for ourselves. So, delusion is very seductive because it's safe. Your mind and your emotions are safe inside a delusion. It doesn't ask us to fight, change, or rise. It simply says, stay, rest here, I'll protect you from the pain. That is what delusion is giving. So, what we'll do, we'll get trapped inside it. We stay inside it. We build whole empires in our minds, and then the fact is, it's not real. It's like a card palace built on no base. So, what is escapism? Escapism is the art of living rather than believing. That is what it really is. It's when the world feels too brutal or too ugly or too unfinished, we just slide into fiction or daydreams or dopamine loops. That is delusive. It is a psychological airbag that we develop during existential crisis and crashes. So, the fact is, escapism isn't always bad. That is the main point here. Sometimes it's a survival tactic, a coping mechanism, a way for the psyche to exhale when reality is trying to suffocate us. So, our minds are clever creatures actually. They just build a lie or a delusion, then burn the truth. That is the cause of every delusive episode that you've had. Psychologically, both delusion and escapism is a default mode network, the brain's rusting state of inner narrative and imagination. So these moments when we are drifting or like zoning out or we like daydreaming, the brain creates alternative versions of reality inside our head. It offers you a mirror but it paints over your reflection. That is how it works. So what is the danger? When the dream is more appealing than life, what happens is we just get lost in it. We are choosing fiction over the function and the realism that is going on and the practical things that's going on. We are just choosing the comfort over the confrontation. So we're not leaving. We are just lingering in the past or in the delusive episodes. But then, this is vital. The fact is, not all delusions are presents. Some are precursors. Because if you have a dream and this dream is your vision, is your passion, then probably a delusion can be the precursor to it. The same imagination that tells you lies, you can use it to build your future and your art, resurrect your hopes, etc. So you just have to know when you're dreaming and when to turn it into reality, when to wake up and start working on it. So reality is never as perfect as your mind wants it to be. That's the main hard truth that you have to swallow like a pill. But your mind is powerful enough to bend reality towards your will. So you have to step out of the dream, look at the dream, resurrect it, and make it real. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. So bye bye till we get together with another video. Bye bye.